body.
Yes.
To give hard. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, you can see how thick the outer part is. You have to punch through. Like, look how
Yeah.
thick that is.
It's a
Yeah,
All the
lot.
fibers.
It's a hard. Yeah.
So, do they use the coconut fibers for anything? Like this part, is that used for anything at all?
Maybe to make it like a souvenirs.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Little knickknacks.
Yeah. 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 Nope.
Nope, not yet.
It's an old coconut, you know. Maybe.
Sounded good.
Yep.
It's our coconut.
It sounded different, didn't it?
It's a heart.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It sounded way different.
A body like